Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Castel Santangelo tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets online using the first link you see down right here in the description. Once you open up that link, it's going to show you this page right here from where we can proceed. So the first thing we want to do is to click the check availability button right here in the bottom right corner. It's going to enable us to check all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So I'm going to select, let's say, the 11th right here. We're going to select the time slot we want to purchase it for, and then it's going to enable us to see all the cards and tickets that we can go and purchase right here. Let's say one adult ticket, then we can click the next button. Once you click the next button, it's going to take you to the next page from where you can get started. If you want to go ahead and select another experience that you want to save money on, if you're not interested, just click no thanks, and then go to the next page from where you can get started filling out all your info, such as first name, last name, phone number, and so on. So let's go and click next to go to the payment page. Make sure to provide all the info it requests from you. So let's go and enter in the info right here and then click next. It's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started seeing all the payment methods we can use, such as Apple Pay, debit, credit card, and PayPal. Select the one you prefer the most, and once you open it up, it's going to show you this page from where you can provide all your info. Provide your credit card info and then click the pay option. Once you have successfully made a payment, you are going to receive your cards and your email address that you have used for registering the account. So go into the description right now, find the first link you see. It's going to take you to this page right here, and you can get started purchasing your tickets online. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.